Hi, to control music with the help of your Xiaomi Mi Band 8 active, as a first step, make sure that your band is connected to the phone via Bluetooth. You can check it if you open Settings. Here, find the Bluetooth section on the top of the screen and check whether it's in the My Devices tab and the status connected. So now after that we need to open any music application we have installed on our phone. And now we need to take the band, swipe up to open the list of applications, and here we need to find the music. And now you can see that it represents everything we have on our phone screen. So to control the music, you just need to tap this middle button to play or pause songs. Let's test it. Tap again to pause and everything is working correctly for now. Now, this button is to go to the next song. And yeah, it's working. And that is to go to the previous one. And with the help of this section, you can adjust the volume. Just tap here to increase the volume or tap on this button to decrease the volume. And that's it how it works. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.